In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL slug in SEO settings. We're going to walk through a quick, reliable way to update the URL slug for one of your main pages. A URL slug is the part of a web address that comes after your domain, and it helps search engines and visitors understand what a page is about. Keeping it short, descriptive, and consistent is key for good SEO and a clean user experience. Let's get started. First, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This opens the area where you control site-wide options. From there, select SEO Settings. This section is dedicated to how your site appears in search results, and it's exactly where we want to be to adjust a page's URL. Next, click on Main Pages. This shows you the primary pages on your site that typically appear in your navigation, like Home, About, Services, or Contact. Once you're in Main Pages, scroll down. You'll see a list of pages along with options for managing each one, and we're heading to the editing controls for the page you want to update. Now click on Edit by Page. This opens editing controls specific to individual pages so you don't accidentally change global settings. Go to Page Name and select the page you want to modify. Choosing the correct page is important because the slug should match the content of that page as closely as possible for clarity and SEO relevance. After selecting the page, click on Edits. This brings up the editable fields for that specific page. Here you will see URL slug. This is the field that determines the tail end of your page's web address. Keep in mind that good slugs are lowercase, use hyphens between words, avoid special characters, and remove unnecessary filler words. For example, our services is clearer and more search-friendly than our services. You can change it by typing directly into the URL slug field. Take a moment to double-check spelling and make sure the slug accurately reflects the page's topic. Consistency matters, and even small typos can create broken links. If this page is already live, be aware that changing the slug can affect existing links. Some platforms handle redirects automatically, but it's wise to review your links after publishing to ensure everything still works. When you're happy with the new slug, finish up by clicking Publish. This saves and applies your change so the updated URL goes live. Give it a moment, then visit the page to confirm the address looks right and loads correctly. That's it. Your page URL slug is updated, clear, and ready for visitors and search engines alike.